When couples face problems in the bedroom, it can be tough to deal with or even talk about the issue. But there's a clinic in Chicago offering men a treatment to combat ED with no surgery and no pills. I talked to Miles Broadhead from Edgebrook Medical Clinic to find out more.
Well, it all starts with being examined by a doctor. Remember that symptoms of ED can also be an indicator that something else is going on with your body. Even if you're experiencing occasional failures, it's probably time to go and get checked.
Okay, so when you're struggling with ED, or if you know someone who is struggling with ED, what exactly do you need to know?
Well, you need to know that confidence level is probably hit first. There's a big change going on in the body that we're not used to. It's something that we've developed, and we're used to having our intimacy on demand without needing any kind of pill or needle or surgery. What people should mainly know is to open up the conversation early and get it treated as quick as you can.
Okay, and you expect any kind of a change in your partner or in you all's relationship?
Well, I think that what we don't talk about enough is partners are 50% of this story. And sometimes they become the victim of inaction on the man's part to get treated for ED. That leaves a lot of questions in a partner's mind. Is there something wrong with me? Am I not attractive anymore? Typically, it's because us as guys, we're a little stubborn. When ED happens, we don't necessarily want to bring it up.
Yeah, I can only imagine. And then when it comes time to actually go to the doctor's office, sometimes they need a little bit of a boost. Are they allowed to go? Are your partners allowed to go with the spouses?
Oh, absolutely. I'm kind of a need my hand held for things like this, especially when I'm kind of unsure about what's going on. We definitely encourage the partners to come in if they'd like to. If that makes you more comfortable, by all means.
Absolutely. And Art, do you guys have any specials for our viewers today?
Absolutely. Guys, it's time. Like I said, even if it's only on occasion, come in and see us. Your exam, assessment, blood flow ultrasound with our medical staff, that's all free. Plus, we have an additional gift for you when you come in that guys love, provides powerful results in the bedroom. That's free as well. Even if it's just for some peace of mind, pick up the phone and call us. We're ready to help you get on the other side of ED.
And I imagine that is a big part of it, a peace of mind.
Absolutely. I mean, let's answer the questions that, maybe we can't talk about sometimes.
All right, you can call the number there on your screen to get a free exam and blood flow ultrasound. This is a $650 value that is free to you right now.